Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's design is going to be a really simple chromed French. So as you can see, I've already prepped and primed and sculpted out a tip for this nail. Now I'm going in with Warm Beige for that nail bed. So I'm just patting out that nail and manipulating the acrylic further down the nail to have like an extended nail bed for the French. I'm popping a little bit more by that cuticle area. Get it really close, but don't get it on it. And here I'm just blending it through onto the other bit. So here I'm just patting the acrylic down, building that little bit of a wall. So I've got my white acrylic to go up against. So I'm just waiting for that to set. So I'm just using a hand file to sharpen up that wall. So you'll be able to get a really nice, crisp, deep smile line. So I'm just using a clean brush with a bit of monomer on, just to get rid of any dust really. So using Mega White acrylic, I'm going to push it up against the Warm Beige. So I'm going in with another bead of acrylic and filling out that free edge. I'm just placing a little bit of white because I'd missed it. I'm just adding a little bit more white, making sure the smile line's complete. And it is really messy at the moment, but don't worry, that'll be fixed once we get that file on it. Now we're just going to wait for that nail to set. I'm going to take my hand file and file the free edge and the side walls. So I'm going over the whole nail with a hand file, and you'll be able to see that crisp smile line. And using pure acetone and a lint-free wipe, I'm going to wipe over this nail, get rid of any marks, any dust. I'm using the Urban Graffiti top coat, and I'm going to pop it onto the lamp for 60 seconds. And then using the burgundy chrome on an applicator, I'm just rubbing over the nail. And you can see like quite a pink, maybe a little bit of a blue tint to it. So I know what you're thinking, and it's not burgundy, but it would be if it was over black. But because I've done it over white, it's come out a slightly different colour. I'm going to brush off the excess. So I'm going back in with the top coat, but I'm being really careful just to go up to that white line. So I just want the French part of the nail to have the burgundy tint. And then it's going under the lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm using pure acetone to wipe off the pigment that was left on the nail bed. And then I'm going back over with the top coat, and it's going to go back in the lamp for another minute. Now I'm going to rehydrate that nail with pink pineapple cuticle oil. So like I said before, if you put the burgundy chrome over a dark colour, it will go burgundy. So I hope you liked today's design. Give us a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!